Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your DoorDash account. Follow these steps to enable it quickly and easily. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your smartphone or access the DoorDash website on your computer. Ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Navigate to your account settings. In the app, tap on the profile icon in the top right corner, then select Account Settings. On the website, click on your profile picture and choose Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Find Security Settings. Scroll down to find the Security or Privacy section within the account settings. Look for an option labeled Two-Factor Authentication or 2FA. Step 4. Enable Two-Factor Authentication. Select the option to enable Two-Factor Authentication. You may be prompted to choose your preferred method of receiving the authentication code, such as via SMS or an authentication app. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. You may need to enter a verification code sent to your chosen method. Once confirmed, save your changes to activate two-factor authentication. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your DoorDash account with two-factor authentication. Make sure to keep your authentication method secure for continued protection.